Introducing the Belimo Cloud extension for SkySpark. This application allows you to retrieve and monitor all your Belimo energy value data from the Belimo Cloud, enabling you to easily store and share data across any of your SkySpark installations. This is made possible by using a Belimo Energy Valve, which sends data to the Belimo Cloud, where that data will then be stored and sorted. Then, using the Belimo Cloud extension in SkySpark, you can view, analyze, and control your data remotely. We'll now quickly demonstrate how to install this extension and how to get started. Here we are on the SkySpark homepage. Open the Host app and click on the Install view. Now search for the Belimo Cloud extension and then install it. Now we'll quickly need to restart SkySpark to complete the installation. Next, open the Connector app, click New, and enable the Belimo Cloud extension. Here, you'll need to enter your Belimo Cloud username and password. We also need another set of credentials, the client ID and accompanying secret. We'll enter these via a custom Axon function, so we'll launch the shell tool and input AF Belimo Cloud set client credentials, and include your connector ID, client ID, and client secret. These details can be acquired from Belimo. Great, now we should be able to ping our connector. If it was successful, we should see the status displayed OK and the version of the Belimo Cloud API that we're connected to. Now we have a working Belimo Cloud connector, let's set up our project. Inside the Builder application, we're going to add data points from the Belimo Cloud and map them to our equipment in SkySpark. We'll quickly build a site with an equip to demonstrate. Select the equip you would like to map points to, and in the panel on the right, you can see all the equipment on the Belimo Cloud. Select the point you would like and simply click Bind. That point should then appear under your equipment. To sync history data, go to the Connector application and select the point you wish to sync. You can see the point's current value and history status displayed here. Click the target dropdown and then Sync History. Select the date span you would like and then click Sync. Here we can see that the history sync was successful. Once it's synchronized, we can quickly view this data in the Historian application. To write a value using Belimo, you'll first need a set point like this one here. Make sure that write access is enabled on your point. To change the value, open the target dropdown and select Point Override. Here we can see the current value is 3 Kelvin. Let's add a new value of 13 and a duration of 60 seconds. We can watch the value change in the monitor application, however it won't change right away, as SkySpark has sent the new value to the Belimo Cloud, ready to send it to the valve. The next time they communicate, the valve will pick up this change and update itself. Eventually that change will be sent to Belimo, and then back to SkySpark and displayed to us. Just like that. For further information or support, visit the Belimo Cloud page on StackHub. And don't forget to use the forum to leave any feedback or questions you might have. Thanks for watching.